Hello, I hope you're doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you some affirmations for letting go, which I posted on the online life guide blog a couple of years ago. I hope this helps you in letting go and become free from whatever has been bothering you. I choose to let go of anything that is holding me back. I release all the negative thoughts and emotions that are trapped inside me from the past, and now I cleanse myself from it mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. I release all the burden that I might be holding on to. I set myself free from it. I allow myself to let go of any anger or animosity I might be holding against someone. I free myself from anger. I let go of the outer shell that I've made to hide my insecurities. I let go of the fear to expose my vulnerabilities. Every human is vulnerable. That's how we deeply experience and live life to the fullest. I let go of all the fears I had about the future, and I choose to embrace and enjoy my present. I leave my worries about the future to God. He is the one who controls the future. I put my trust in Him. He'll make things better. I let go of the mistakes I've made in the past. They served their purpose of teaching me wisdom and important life lessons. Now I can move on and make my life better through all those learnings and experiences. I let go of the mistakes of other people. We are all human beings, and even the best of us make mistakes. I choose to let go of any bad thing that anyone has said to me. They might be having a bad day themselves and dealing with some personal problems, loss, grief, or stress. Or it's just that the pain and challenges they might have gone through shaped them to be rude or insecure. I empathize with them as I let go. I release and let go of any negative belief I have about myself, other people, or the world in general. I let go of any negative, disempowering perception that I had of the world and other people, which led me into negative states of mind. With a deep inhale, I allow positivity to enter me, and with a long exhale, I release and let go of any negativity as it leaves my mind, body, and spirit for good. Repeat these affirmations for the next few days for maximum benefit. and please share it with someone who might need it. As always, make sure to take good care of yourself, and I'll talk to you in the next one.